Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable automatic download WhatsApp PC. We start by opening the WhatsApp application on PC, then we will click on the settings icon. After that, we will click on the storage option. Finally, we can deactivate those files that we do not want to be downloaded automatically in our conversations. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.